initially we discussed, right, few topics. Like I said you initially, some of the topics are not a daily activities, it's a BAU activities, nothing but we will not do on day-to-day basis, but these components are very important in troubleshooting in the main activities. Okay, these are the collection, discovery methods, boundaries and all, which is a small concept, but it is important. We need to by heart these things as part of interview only. Okay, so mostly, so these are the main topics which we will do in a day-to-day basis in the organization. Okay, SCCM client remediation, which is very important, which we need to do on daily basis. And software distribution, which we completed last week. This is also one of the, these are the three key pillars of SCCM, like software distribution, patch management and operating systems are the three key pillars. Others are like interdependence, means these concepts are interdependent on these concepts. Okay, for troubleshooting. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So patch management, generally every month which we will do the patch management in our organization. So what is patch management? If somebody can explain in a single word, who knows or who completed the videos?
Yeah. Every second Tuesday of uh, every month of second every month second Tuesday, patches will release the cumulative update and security patches to the Windows. Those are released from the Microsoft. Those things applying to the our organization PCs, so that can be released of next day, or else as per their company standards, they're going to release those patches to uh, their enrollment PCs. That is called patching.
Okay, thank you. Any others want to try? Okay, fine. So patching, which is very important for every organization. Okay, so patching means patches will be releasing from Microsoft on every second Tuesday. Is it clear, everyone? Every month, second Tuesday, Microsoft will release the patches. So why it is very critical to all companies? So for example, if you take a PC, okay, means like our laptop or desktop, which contains of Windows 10 OS, okay, Microsoft will release a software. It's patch also nothing but one of the software, okay. So why the developments for patches will be contains like an OS level patching, okay. For operating system, we will have patches. For security like MS Office, we will have some patches. For Internet Explorer, we have patches. Okay. For .NET, why .NET is important? Each and every application is developed on the basis of .NET. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah,
Most of
.NET
the
is
applications are developed on based upon the .NET framework. So you need to update the vulnerabilities. Okay, .NET framework. So Microsoft will release these patches every month. These updates, these are Microsoft updates. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? So there is other things called third party products. Nothing but your Adobe, Google, Java, which are considered as third party products. Other than Microsoft, the products are called third party. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? So updates we need to install. Why? Means because there will be some issues. For example, what happened? No, there will be some hackers will be there. Okay, what their main aim is, they will target the end user PCs or the any PCs. Okay, if you do not, they will try to contact the PC and they will send some codes via Internet Explorer. Means they will give you some links, or whenever you browse any links, internet links, unauthorized sites, when you click on the links, what they will do, they will come into your machine and steal your data. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? మన మెషిన్ లోకి వచ్చి ఏం చేస్తారంటే మన కాన్ఫిడెన్షియల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కానీ ఏదన్నా దే విల్ గ్రాబ్ అండ్ గో ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ మెషిన్స్. సో లైక్ యువర్ ఇంటర్నెట్ banking username, password, or credit card details, anything may be, it may helpful for them. They will come and steal. What happened? Then they simply do some misuse on your accounts, or they can do anything. Is it clear? Why it will happen? Because lack of security on your machine. Why security is missing? Because they find some loopholes. Means because no, for example, you have a house, okay? Then there is an issue with your lock. Somebody can open without any lock. What happens? Hello, is my voice audible?
Yeah, someone can grab or
Someone can
uh,
easily come and stole whatever they want whenever we are in
yeah,
sleep or something, right?
yeah,
So in the same way, it in Microsoft it happens every month, okay? Because no, the product they will develop, they find some loopholes, okay? They has to fix. In meantime, Microsoft will try to develop the fix for the particular. See, generally there will be some bugs. They call as some bugs in the machine. Okay, bug is nothing but there is an issue in the particular machine which attacker can come and steal the data. Okay, then what Microsoft will do, every month they develop some patches and release on second patch Tuesday to fix this. We need to install every month. That is a round robin cycle. Every month they releases and we need to fix it. They will identify some bugs. Some companies they will report to Microsoft based upon they develop. Some companies, Microsoft itself, they develop the patches for every month. For example, second month patch Tuesday they release some patches. On third week they found like the very serious bug, which and very serious bug. So if we not install that, maybe fix the bug, any hacker come easily come and steal the data. So Microsoft will not wait for the next month patch Tuesday. They release immediately and they will name as 0 day patch. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
yeah.
సో అంటే ఏంటంటే ఎవ్రీ మంత్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ సెకండ్ ట్యూస్డే ప్యాచెస్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్యాచ్ ట్యూస్డే లోపు అంటే ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఇఫ్ దే ఫైండ్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూస్ అంటే మేజర్ ఇష్యూస్, అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ మేజర్ ఇష్యూ, దే ఫౌండ్ సమ్ ఇష్యూ ఆన్ ద మెషిన్స్ లైక్ ఆన్ ద ఎండ్ యూజర్ మెషిన్స్ దట్ హ్యాస్ టు అడ్రస్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. అంటే ఏంటంటే అది ఎంత త్వరగా ఫిక్స్ చేయాలంటే అంత త్వరగా ఫిక్స్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ప్యాచ్ డే కోసం వెయిట్ చేయలేరు అనమాట. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాడంటే 0 డే ప్యాచ్ అని చెప్పి మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తాడు అనమాట. దట్ హ్యాస్ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇమీడియట్లీ, అంటే విత్ ఇన్ ఏ వీక్ కానీ యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్ దాన్ని టెస్ట్ చేసుకుని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. అంతేగాని మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ విల్ రిలీజ్ ద ప్యాచెస్, యూ కెనాట్ బ్లైండ్లీ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఎనీథింగ్. వీ నీడ్ టు గో ఇన్ ఏ phased approach, test, then go to the production. Is it clear? Hello.
sir.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes. And this one, and every month we will get it the some updates and all. No? For example, in laptops and all, we can see some updates and all. Is this
yeah,
thing only or what?
yeah, this thing only. Everything monthly, you see update is going on. Your machine is getting rebooted. Patches.
Yeah.
That is the updates patching.
Okay, okay.
Clear? So if you see here, generally, if this is a machine, okay, every month what happens? Mm, there will be some, there will be lot of loopholes. Nothing but that's nothing but a bugs on the machine. It may be a MS loopholes and third party updates. Clear?
Yeah.
So with these loopholes, they will find at a hacker what they will do generally. They use some third party tools to scan the machines. Clear? What hackers do, they will have high end systems. They will scan the PCs in a public network. Okay. So they find what are the loopholes on the machines where I can enter into the PC. Is it clear? They have some third party softwares. They will try to scan the software and they will find the public IP address. They will see how many machines are nearby in my network. Then what are the loopholes in that? See, nobody will target directly to you. Okay. Because see, sir, I am not hacked still now means you're lucky. Because nobody concentrated on you directly. Is it clear? So what they'll do is they try to scan and will find the what are the loopholes first. If there is no loophole, they cannot enter into the machine. Clear? Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
The first most important for every machine is antivirus. You need a proper antivirus for licensed version antivirus or anything. It's mandatory required. Better you purchase at least 300 rupees per year.
300 rupees to go.
It will come if you search in Amazon. Lot of antivirus will come for 300 also. Okay, you search in Amazon, there will be some antivirus for yearly or 3 years once 900. It will cost you lot of because no. See how much depends upon the company brand. If you go with Quick Heal, a lot of companies will be there. Then you search for an offers and all. You can install any antivirus would be fine, but you can check in the ratings and all. You can go it. Okay, mobile also you can have the antivirus. What happens, there is no antivirus, something when you click a link and all, see nothing will happen sometimes unless until you lose some money, like your friend says my credit card gone with 30,000, 60,000. Sometime may happen to your colleagues or friends. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
So it purely depends on the security what you are maintaining in your laptop or mobile. Simply you download some uTorrent on your mobile or you use your system for download. Torrent is very big site for, okay, because no, you do not, you will download some softwares and all, you install whatever you want. Why they give you the free software? Because no, within the software they gives you some malicious code to keep on your machine. Once you install the software, the your machine will be under the control of the hacker, so they can monitor your screenshots, whatever you're doing or whatever the activities they are doing. So you cannot install whatever the softwares you like. Okay, if you have an antivirus, when you install, it tries to block the particular software remotely. If you do not have an antivirus, what happens? You download some important softwares, whatever you want, you try to download, you download the movies and all. Okay, mostly we see like who's using this uTorrent sites and softwares and all. This they will be getting hacked mostly because no, if you not use that sites, no, there's no harm for your machines or you're not, no need of antivirus at all. If you're browsing only some important websites and all, that's okay. But when you're going for a movie software, and what happens while you browsing the browsing the software, that link itself it contains some backend JavaScript which downloads locally and tracks your activities. Clear? We cannot say 100% what websites we have. That depends upon the antivirus you use. For example, if you use some antivirus, it simply says whenever you open a website, it will block the website for next 60 seconds, because no, there is some backend malicious activities going on. So we will block the IP address for 1 minute. It will block. Clear? Is it clear what I'm saying to you? So what
Yes, sir.
Microsoft will do, they release the patches, OS, they release some fixes, then release. If you install, what happen? That which are the loopholes on the machine, it tries to fix. Cannot, okay, let me put it black. So it will fix and it will completely whatever you fix Microsoft patches, it's only 50% which you are fixing, because still the third party patches, no, most of the companies will not follow. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? Some companies will install the third party patches, some companies may not. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
So because no, all companies will not install the third party patches. Okay, so these loopholes will be fixed in every month. Is it clear? So if I can give you this example. So you installing MS Office, what about the third party updates? Which generally, 50 to 60% of 50% of companies only will install the third party updates. Still you have a chance for vulnerability. Vulnerable is nothing but your machine is exposed to internet. Is it clear? You can search in Google like a vulnerability. So lot of companies they will ask you, have you worked on vulnerability management? Is it clear? Vulnerability management is nothing but finding out the issues on your organization, fixing with the patches is nothing but a vulnerability management. See, vulnerability management is nothing but it's a cyber, it's a clinical practice of identifying, classifying the, prioritizing the, and remediating the issues on your సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వల్నరబిలిటీస్. అంటే ఏంటంటే మీ కంపెనీలో ఉన్న ఇష్యూస్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి దాన్ని ఫిక్స్ చేయడాన్ని వల్నరబిలిటీ అంటారు అనమాట. మీన్స్ వల్నరబిలిటీ కోసం కొన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ కాలిస్ గార్డ్ అనేది ఒక టూల్ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్స్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ టు యూ? So there are lot of tools in the market. Okay, this is one of the tool, but every tool is license. Why they all companies will not use third party patches? Because first buying the third party product software is somewhat costly, like Shavlik. Okay, then Scup is a freeware from Microsoft, but it will not support all the products. Only Adobe you can patch or some products. But if you buy Ivanti or Shavlik, which is a third party, you need to pay license so that you can use it. So then you can patch Adobe, Java, Google Chrome, 7-zip, each and every product. So then only your machine is 100% patched. Why all companies will not use? Because of the cost variant of purchasing the licensing. Clear? Is it clear what I'm saying to you? So let me give you the again the PC. Okay, then we can have something. Okay, you're doing a MS Office Microsoft patches. So okay, okay, you're doing what Microsoft patches, which is nothing but MS patches. So you're not doing irregularly third-party patching because you're not using the products, any third-party products. So yeah, third-party patch is nothing but your Google Chrome, Adobe, okay, Java, which comes under. So what happens now? If there are any serious issues, like sometimes no, this 7 zip, some softwares will have some potential issues. If you not update the latest version, for example, sometimes what happens, 7 zip has some vulnerability, some 18.0 has some issues. If you not went for an upgrade of 22 or 19, your machine will be hacked and your data can be stolen. Then what happens, this 7 zip will if you are using a licensed version of 7 zip, the company will send an official notification, or you need to find out in any blogs for the potential issues. What each and every company has some CSO officers, means chief security officers. Is it clear what I'm saying, telling? So each and every company has the security team. What their responsibility is, they use some Qualys guard tool, what I told you. They will try to scan all the machines or any new machines which has any softwares which are vulnerable. They will find and they will inform the SCCM team. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? Okay, we have some known issues with this product. You try to upgrade with this version. They will send some emails to that. So we cannot patch from patching. So what we'll do, we'll try to create an application or package. We'll update all the softwares, all the machines via package and application model. Is it clear for third party patches? Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
because we
sir.
do not have third party patches enabled, we cannot see in the patching model. But still, we can create an application and package with the latest version of software from application and package. We can deploy, then make the machine compliant, which is nothing but update to the latest version. Every company has security team. They will check the what are the loopholes in their organization. If they find any software malicious which is in the machines, then they ask us to give they will give the list of machines which has not has some security loopholes. Then they ask us to update the versions. Clear? Why the companies will not go the third party patching means, because each and every company, no, the first layer of security would be a firewall. If you see in any organization, the company wall which is internally, which is connected from internet, okay, so the internet will not come directly to this machine. The internet will come directly to the first hardware device. Here there is a firewall concept will be there, which is called an hardware device they will keep. What the firewall will do, it will filter all the traffic, okay. By default, all ports are blocked. Ports are nothing but to connect to the machine. So only allowed ports, there are very few ports they will allow, okay. Allow only trusted ports. Means nothing but if you have an organization in somewhere in US, okay, this is your organization in US, they have some public IP address. If you want to connect via internet, okay, and comes to this firewall, this IP address of the US 10 dot some 20 dot public IP 20.1, that will be has to allow within this firewall. So if the IP addresses are same, then only the traffic will enter into the local organization. Then this machine is communicating to this PC via public IP addresses. Before entering into the machine, it has to pass through this firewall. Is it clear? So hackers will stop by default by here only. They cannot enter this because that's why the networking team will be paid somewhat higher salaries. Like they have some CCNA security. Okay. If you remember, no, the CCNA security guys will do these configurations, initial configurations and all. Because no, the hackers can stop between here. Is it clear? Then again, they have some internal, again, one softwares will be there. Okay. Here only there is some softwares will be there. Again, there is some zone called in companies a DMZ. It's like a demilitarized zone. One other layer of security. That zone can called as DMZ zone. Here they install the servers which has publicly faced internet. So whenever you want connecting any Teams or Teams or Outlook, what happens? No, the users will connect and come to this firewall and they contact these servers, not the internal company network. For external users, they will create some other servers for a communication. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? అంటే మనం వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు కంపెనీలో కొన్ని సర్వర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు కంపెనీలో ఉంటే ఏంటంటే ఒక సర్వర్ని యాక్సెస్ చేయాలంటే అది ఇట్ విల్ కాంటాక్ట్ ద ఇంటర్నల్ సర్వర్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్, ఓకే, లైక్ సమ్వేర్ హియర్ ఆన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్, that will connect to the servers which are in the DMZ zone. So you will not connect to the internal servers for communication. So in this way, they will segregate the traffic. ఈ డిఎంజెడ్ జోన్ నుంచి ఇంటర్నల్ సర్వర్స్ కి చాలా తక్కువ పోర్ట్స్ ఓపెన్ లో ఉంటాయి అనమాట. వెరీ లెస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. ఇట్ విల్ బి దేర్, ఈ సర్వర్ కి కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ దేర్ విల్ బి లెస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. అంటే ఓన్లీ స్పెసిఫిక్ పోర్ట్స్ మాత్రం ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు అనమాట కమ్యూనికేషన్ కి, డ్యూ టు సెక్యూరిటీ రీజన్స్. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? ఇదంతా కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఎవరు చేస్తారంటే సర్వర్ టీమ్ అండ్ నెట్వర్క్ టీమ్ విల్ డూ. We will not do anything at all. Is it clear? Whose involvement will be there? Server team and the network team will do all this configuration. This is the company architecture. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
సో మనకి ఏంటంటే వన్స్ జస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు నో ద థియరిటికల్ పార్ట్. అసలు కంపెనీలో ఎలా జరుగుతుంది, కంపెనీలో అటాక్స్ ఎందుకు జరగవు బై డిఫాల్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా. ఎందుకంటే దే హ్యాస్ దిస్ ఫైర్ వాల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ విచ్ విల్ బ్లాక్ ఆల్ ద ట్రాఫిక్. దే విల్ హ్యావ్ ద డిఎంజెడ్ జోన్ విచ్ అంటే అవుటర్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ కోసం అనమాట. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యూజర్స్ ఎవరైతే కనెక్ట్ అవుతారో వాళ్ళు దే విల్ అంటే ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చి ఆగిపోతారు అంతే. దే కెనాట్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద కంపెనీస్ నెట్వర్క్. అండ్ దేర్ ఇస్ అదర్ స్కానింగ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ విల్ బి దేర్. అంటే మన ఈమెయిల్ ప్రతిదీ స్కాన్ చేస్తారనమాట. అంటే కంపెనీలో ఈమెయిల్ సర్వర్స్ ఉంటాయి కొన్ని. మనకి ఏదైతే ఈమెయిల్ వస్తుందో ఆ ఈమెయిల్ ప్రతిదీ స్కాన్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ మీ పీసీ ఇది అనుకుంటే సంబడి సెండింగ్ ఎన్ ఈమెయిల్, ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ మలీషియస్ అంటే ఆ ఈమెయిల్లో మలీషియస్ కంటెంట్ ఉంటే ఈ సర్వర్లోనే ఆగిపోద్ది. యూ కెనాట్ గెట్ ద ఈమెయిల్ ఇన్ యువర్ అవుట్లుక్. If it is allowed, then only your email will be passed to your email address, or some spam emails directly will block in the semantic messaging ఏంటంటే సిమాంటిక్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ కొన్ని ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. అంటే మెసేజింగ్ స్టాప్ చేయడానికి కూడా చాలా సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఉంటాయి. మనకు అంటే కొన్ని బ్యాంకింగ్ సెక్టర్‌లో ఏం చేస్తారంటే మనకొచ్చే ప్రతి ఈమెయిల్ ఏ కంపెనీలో అన్నా సెక్యూరిటీ ఇమేజ్‌లో మనకొచ్చే ప్రతి ఈమెయిల్ మానిటర్ అవుతా ఉంటదన్నమాట. దే విల్ రీడ్ ద కంటెంట్. అండ్ సమ్ కంపెనీస్ దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తారంటే కొన్ని ట్రిగ్గర్స్ పెట్టుకుంటారు. సమ్ సెక్యూరిటీ వయలేషన్స్ వస్తే దే విల్ గెట్ ఇమ్మీడియేట్ అలర్ట్. ఆ ఈమెయిల్‌ని మానిటర్ చేస్తారు. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఇట్స్ నాట్ అలౌడ్ టు సెండ్ అన్ ఈమెయిల్ టు యువర్ పర్సనల్ ఈమెయిల్స్. అంటే మన కంపెనీ ఈమెయిల్ నుంచి పర్సనల్ ఈమెయిల్స్‌కి సెండ్ చేసుకోకూడదు. దట్ సమ్ కంపెనీస్ విల్ అలౌ నార్మల్ ఈమెయిల్స్. అంటే మీరు ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ నార్మల్‌గా హాయ్ అని చెప్పి మీది ఏదైనా పంపించుకోవచ్చు. ఏంటి మీ రెజ్యూమ్ గాని. బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ అలౌడ్. If you forward your company documents, your personal email, some company will immediately terminate you. Because why? 80 కంపెనీస్ లో మానిటరింగ్ ఉండదు అనమాట. మీరు ఇమెయిల్ సెండ్ చేస్తే మానిటరింగ్ ఉండదు. బట్ సెక్యూరిటీ బ్యాంక్ రిలేటెడ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ లో ఏం చేస్తారంటే దే విల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ వన్ ఏజెంట్. అంటే సెమాంటిక్ ఏజెంట్స్ కొన్ని ఉంటాయి. ఆర్ దే విల్ కాన్ఫిగర్ ద సెమాంటిక్ ఇమెయిల్. మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ఒక ఇమెయిల్ మీ పర్సనల్ ఇమెయిల్ ట్రిగర్ చేశారో ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఒక సెక్యూరిటీ ఇమెయిల్ అనేది సెక్యూరిటీ టీమ్ కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Somebody user will send an person confidential email to the personal email. ఆ పర్సనల్ ఇమెయిల్ ఏం చేస్తారు సెక్యూరిటీ సింప్లీ యూ విల్ సెండ్ అన్ ఈమెయిల్ టు యువర్ మేనేజర్. నెక్స్ట్ డే యూ విల్ బి క్వశ్చన్ ఓకే వై యూ సెండ్ యువర్ డేటా టు యువర్ పర్సనల్ ఇమెయిల్. You need to give a valid justification. If not, first level of warning will be sent to you. If not, they will terminate immediately. అంటే జాబ్ లో తీసేస్తారు. మన కంపెనీ ఇమెయిల్ నుంచి ఏంటంటే పర్సనల్ ఇమెయిల్స్ యూ కెనాట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ద అఫీషియల్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? బట్ సార్ మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ కొంతమంది అలా పంపించుకుంటున్నారు సో దే నో యూజ్ అంటే బికాస్ దే డు నాట్ హ్యావ్ దట్ మచ్ దిస్ దే హ్యాస్ టు మెయింటైన్ సమ్ సెమాంటిక్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఆర్ థర్డ్ పార్టీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ టు మానిటర్ యూ. ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ మానిటరింగ్ యూర్ వెల్ అండ్ గుడ్. ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ మానిటరింగ్ దెన్ యూఆర్ గాన్. ఎవరికో జరగలేదు సార్ నాకేంది అంటే ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ కంపెనీ సెక్యూరిటీ స్టాండర్డ్స్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్. సో ఎప్పుడైనా మనం ఒక మిస్టేక్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ ఏంటంటే ఆ మిస్టేక్ చేసే ముందు మనం ఆలోచించాలి వెదర్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్. మిస్టేక్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆలోచించడం ఇట్స్ వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఒక పని చేసే ముందు ఇది చెయ్యొచ్చా చేయకూడదనే ఒక 10 సార్లు ఆలోచన చేయాలన్నమాట ఏ పనైనా మనం చేసేటప్పుడు. సో ఏదైనా దొరకకుండా ఉండే ఛాన్స్లు ఎత్తుక్కొని దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఫాలో దట్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. సింపుల్ గా హెల్మెట్ వెళ్ళకుండా పోలీస్ ముందు వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది? అక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ చెకింగ్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. వాట్ దే విల్ డూ? దే విల్ యూ 500 రూపీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫైన్. మాస్క్ వేసుకోలేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? దే విల్ యూ పే యూ పెనాల్టీ. ఏమ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? ఎస్ నో?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
In the same way the security will happen. The companies will not use this software scanning and all. You're good to do anything. But if they're monitoring, some companies will not allow you to put USB into your laptop. It will block by default. Then if you put USB also, simply it will get a trigger to some companies will trigger to security team. It will go email. Why you? Because no, why the malicious some USB they will get is ఒక్క machine కి వైరస్ వచ్చిందంటే it will pass to all the machines in the organization. It will be in the loop. Okay, is it clear what I'm saying to you? So this is the security. That's why we will install the patches to fix the bugs which is there in our machines. Clear? Why we require a patching? Why the patching is very important?
Yes, very important.
Any other doubts so far here?
For third party, we have used third party tool only, right? For
Yeah,
update.
third party, maybe Shawali, Kivanti, or anything. The patch my PC, you can integrate
Okay.
with SCCM. So directly the patches can be seen in your SCCM console only. Then no need of creating a package and application. Clear?
And this and all done by some other team, only SCCM team who have to do.
Which one?
This patchman,
Patching will be
bugs,
done by SCCM only. Okay.
SCCM.
Yeah. This setup configuration and so on, all company configuration will do by network and server team. So this is what how the company design look like, architecture. All servers and all they will design.
Because of any security and like backend team